Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another video of how to use this face massager to reduce the jowls, to have sharp jawline, to reduce the double chin. So in the previous video, we discussed about the smile lines and how to lift the cheeks, how we can reduce the eye bags and droopy eyelids. And today we are going to work on the lower face. Before we start, we need to moisturize the face, moisturize the jaw area and the chin area, and we need to do few warm-ups so that we can, when we use the tool, we get maximum results. So let's start the video. First of all, the first warm-up is you have to move your jaw 10 times forward and back. And release. Right now we are just going to activate the muscles. The next warm up, you move your lips right to left, but also move your jaw, like you can see I also have pressure on the chin and jaw together. And release. So we have saggy jaws because of lot of stiffness, weak facial muscles. So in the with first practice, we are going to do to release the tension around this muscle. We have a masseter, so where we are earring, just close to this we have a point. The stiff area is there, so we are going to use the tool to reduce the stiffness. You can place on by rotating this button very slowly. Once it's on, you can slowly start placing up to down, like say up. Same practice from the other side. And release. So next practice is again to release the tension around this area, because more flexibility, more relaxed muscles, less sagging and less wrinkles. You hold it this way from the center of the mouth. Other side. And release. So you see, first of all we relax the muscles. After that we can work on lifting. Now I'm going to teach you first practice to lift the saggy jaws and to add more strength. So when you use the tool, make sure the face is moisturized and the tool is clean, and you place and you move slowly upwards, because we need to relax the muscles. You should not use like fast. No. This is not the correct way. So let's start with me. Lip corner, so we'll start from this point, the lower point. And we divide the one side into 3 parts. So let's start from the first point. O, just this much. We lift the cheekbone and then come. And when you finish 5, hold and release. Now center. And after 5, hold. Now the corner, exact corner. And release. Let's repeat the same practice from the other side. I hope you are following with me. So this corner, okay. Hold. Now center. Let's hold. Hold please and release. So we finished both the sides. Now next practice lifting. So again we'll divide the lower face into 2 parts. Number 1, below the lip, this lip, the lip corner, we lift upwards slowly and take a pause. Again. Three times. Let's do from the other side, same area. So first part done. Now next, this we're going to place here, and this is the upper part. So second part we can say O. I always take a pause. Take a pause and then other side please. And then we can relax. These practices we'll do a palming. And release. So we have covered one topic. Now the second is the double chin. Lot of fat accumulation, toxins there. So the lymphatic drainage practice with this tool is going to help you to reduce the double chin, to have toned muscles. But not only that, posture is also very important. What if you use the tool, you practice with me and you sit all the day like this? So the main muscle, which is upper trapezius, will get affected, and the front platysma will also have back pressure. So the number one thing, you need to keep the shoulders aligned throughout the day. Now we use the tool. So a lot of students ask me, it's been 3 months, 6 months, we have been doing face yoga but there are no results, because we are not working on root cause. So if you listen to me, if you follow my videos, I always suggest to work on posture with the practices plus diet. Then only we can have beautiful skin, beautiful posture and beautiful and toned muscles. Now let's start the next practice. My tool is off, you will not listen the sound to avoid the noise, but you have to on it and then massage. Center, place. This much, this area is sensitive, so will not come this way, no. Half. If you have fat, like lot of fat, you can tuck the lips in. Okay, now the center, now right side. Now the other side, we'll do drainage after we finish this practice. Slow. And relax. I am doing in this video for 5 times, but you can please practice 20 times if you have gym. Okay, now we are going to drain. Stay. Other side, please. Slowly. And once you finish off it, arms again. Last time. And relax. Okay. This is okay. Now, once you finish both the practices, you need to do breathing sometime. You can play your favorite music and sit and just do breathing and take care of the posture throughout the day. If your work is like that, you have to bend your neck, slouch your shoulders. That's completely fine. When we have a lot of computer work, we forget. But once your muscles are tired, you need to relax. That is very important. Otherwise, no matter you follow my videos, you do whatever you learn from the teacher, you will always have double chin and fat accumulation here. To avoid this, after all the practices, if you get 5 minutes, do breathing and do just shoulder rotation practice, so that you can get maximum benefits. And release. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video. And in the next video, I am going to show full face lift flow, full face drainage massages with the help of this tool, and then we'll proceed to the next one. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any doubt, you can find me on Instagram and ask me, and if you have my number, you can contact, and I will try to clear all your doubts, or you can just comment another video. I'll try to solve your doubt in the next video. Thank you so much.